In the dark realms of the criminal world, certain individuals become infamous for their heinous acts. One such chilling figure is Ted Bundy, an American serial killer who terrorized the nation during the 1970s. This video delves into the life, crimes, and psychological profile of Ted Bundy, shedding light on the shocking details that make him one of history's most notorious criminals. Early life and masked persona. Theodore Bundy was born in Burlington, Vermont, in 1946. Raised in a middle-class family, Bundy grew up seemingly normal, showing no overt signs of the darkness that would later consume him. Described as charming and intelligent, he portrayed a deceptive facade of charisma and high intellect, which he used to manipulate and lure his victims. Rampage of violence. During the 1970s, Bundy embarked on a spree of kidnappings, rapes, and murders across multiple states. His victims were mostly young women, targeted for their physical resemblance to a woman who had rejected him in the past. Bundy's overtly charming demeanor allowed him to gain the trust of his victims before violently attacking them, often leaving the bodies in remote areas. Escapes and capture. Bundy's criminal career was marked by a series of narrow escapes from law enforcement. His ability to evade capture, including 2 daring escapes from custody, added to the aura of fear and intrigue surrounding him. Despite his intelligence and cunning, Bundy eventually met his downfall when he was apprehended in 1978 and subsequently put on trial. Psychological profile and legacy. Ted Bundy's psychopathic nature and antisocial behavior have fascinated psychologists and criminologists for decades. His ability to manipulate, charm, and maintain a double life made him a textbook example of a psychopathic serial killer. Bundy's case became pivotal in understanding the psychopathology behind serial murder, contributing to the development of criminal profiling techniques. After his capture, Bundy was cooperative with law enforcement and offered insights into his motivations and methods, shedding some light on the minds of serial killers. However, his chilling legacy extends beyond the courtroom. Bundy's name has become synonymous with evil, and his crimes have left an indelible mark on the public's consciousness, serving as a cautionary tale. Impact and importance. The Ted Bundy case led to significant developments in the field of forensic science, criminal profiling, and investigations. His crimes heightened public awareness of personal safety and the need for effective law enforcement responses to serial killers. The investigation and trial also sparked crucial discussions surrounding consent, victim rights, and the need for legal reforms to protect individuals from violent offenders. Conclusion. The story of Ted Bundy serves as a chilling reminder of the potential for evil that lurks within seemingly ordinary individuals. His horrific crimes, manipulative demeanor, and shocking ability to elude capture continue to captivate public attention. As we seek to understand the mind of a serial killer, Bundy's case remains a dark chapter in American criminal history, illuminating the importance of vigilance, victim advocacy, and ongoing efforts to prevent and solve such atrocious crimes.